Imagine enrolling in a machine learning course and receiving your first paycheck.
Mobile app development, Android app development, iOS app development has been my life.
Hi everyone and welcome to another pitch video. Today I'm going to share two more offerings that have been added to the full stack cohort. Offering number one, we have Ayush's machine learning and MLOps course. And offering number two, we have an Android course by Harnoor. We have acquired both of them and put them for everyone who have bought the 100x devs cohort. And if you buy the cohort before 7th of January, you will get access to both of these for free. This video, I'll share where we are currently in the cohort. You've missed 4 weeks. What have you missed? Can you catch up? Can you not catch up? The way the classes are going, and in case you feel like joining, there is a coupon code at the end that will help you a little bit, not too much. And if you join before 7th of January, you will get access to both of these courses. Let's get right into it. The syllabus for full stack was this for 0 to 1. 0 to 1 basically means a beginner friendly course that will start December. So it's been around 4 weeks that this has started. And 1 to 100, which will start around March-ish, where we'll cover all of these concepts. Feel free to take a pause, screenshot it and understand the curriculum. Week 0, we covered HTML, CSS and JavaScript in full stack. Week 1, we covered a little bit of JavaScript, specifically asynchronous nature of JavaScript. This is the most difficult bit here. 2 live classes, 2 offline classes. Week 2 was revision of asynchronous JavaScript, introduction to Express and Node.js, and then a bunch of offline classes, just repeating a bunch of things we have done. Week 3 was heavy. These were small offline videos to recap people. These were 2 live classes and then a bunch of offline videos. In the initial weeks, we are pretty much covering the syllabus twice. 2 live classes and then a bunch of offline classes. The reason for this is just live classes seem to be a little overwhelming for beginners. This is 0 to 1. So if you don't understand things in the live class, we are basically covering the same thing in a slightly more toned down, easy, beginner friendly fashion in offline videos. I'm unsure if this will keep continuing, but for as long as I can continue this, which is at least the next few weeks until, beginners are up to date. We'll make sure along with live classes, we have a bunch of offline classes, which are pretty much covering the same things, but offline videos are slightly well structured compared to a live class. Week 4, introduction to DOM and React is what we started with. Did some more MongoDB and assignments, might put one more React video here. And at a high level, if you look at it, this is what we've covered, everything in pink. The rest of it is yet to be covered in 0 to 1. Goal is to finish by Feb and March, first week, second week. And then we'll move on to 1 to 100. Cool. Feel free to take a pause here. Let's look at the Android syllabus for Harnoor. This is the complete offering. All of these videos are already recorded and posted on the channel. Like first 5 weeks are already posted. The rest I'll slowly start to post. High level, it takes you through Android basics, how you can create your own application, how you can deploy it, a few open source contribution videos, some Docker, DevOps, things like these as well. And Harnoor has agreed to come for 2 live classes where he'll share a little bit about some Android GSOC projects. That's a high level offering that's been added for free. Machine learning syllabus, this one's interesting. Let me put a few prerequisites, not prerequisites, like a few FAQs here. Okay? This isn't complete, generative AI, everything that's currently in the use. This is a very foundational course, covers basically a bunch of things that are good to know before you actually dive into machine learning. It covers MLOps pretty well, but ML AI specifically, it covers some fundamentals and basics, but don't come with the expectations of, learning generative AI in this specific cohort. The syllabus is out here, specifically a few things I have personally been super impressed with in this course cohort is the regression, logistic regression, this section right here, decision trees, unsupervised learning, and some classes above to revise SQL, things like these. High level, this is the cohort. Ayush is a pretty solid instructor working in the industry, young instructor and teaches pretty well as well. So this is another course that's added for free, offline again and available. FAQs, is this cohort live? So full stack is live. Everything else that has currently been added or will be added in the future are offline videos, by which I mean recorded videos that are posted. You can look at them, but they're not live. You're not being taught live by any of the instructors other than me for full stack. What is the validity? 3 years for all of them. Do I get Discord access? Yes, you get it for full stack. You don't get it for other courses. Again, these have been acquired at a slightly lesser price, so you don't get, access to all the offerings that these instructors had in their original cohorts. These are slightly cut down offerings, but you get access to all the videos, all the assignments, and all the slides. That's it. You don't get access to, live mentorship, TA support. You do get that for the full stack cohort, but not for anything else. Will there be more courses that will be added? unsure yet. Maybe not. We'll see. Depends on how well people use this. If this is just going to be a fad and no one actually watches these recordings, then you probably won't spend energy or time here. But if this does help out people, and I see viewership on these courses, in that case I'm happy to acquire more courses. Refund policy: 1 week after you buy, always true for my courses. After you buy, in the first 1 week you feel the teaching pattern is not right, classes are not right, you don't like the cohort, you don't like the syllabus, feeling overwhelmed, whatever the reason might be. You don't have to give a reason. You don't have to come with a very big, my family is currently not healthy and I have medical bills to pay. Just ask for a refund, you'll get a refund in less than a week. Will you be able to learn all three things together? So no. एक चीज का ध्यान रखना बस कि more offerings does not mean the cohorts has suddenly become better. It might have just become worse because there's too many things to do now. That's the problem with YouTube. There are already so many things out there. So just because there are 3 courses does not mean you jump from one to another. Focus on one. My high level advice would be कि जो live पढ़ाया जा रहा है, whatever is being taught live, probably go there because the instructor's motivation there, and they can clearly see feedback immediately and structure the classes accordingly. Versus the recorded courses already out there. That would be my high level advice. This is why I keep saying, what the experience that you might get by buying Harnoor's actual course versus, the offering that's been added here might be different because there he's teaching live, answering doubts live, and here it's just a recorded set of videos. So don't feel like, wow, I'm getting 3 at the price of 1. You're not. You're getting 1 at the price of 1 and then some extra things on top. Will I get the best experience in all 3? So no, live is generally better than offline, especially, when the instructor is highly accountable and has taken money from you directly. They have very high motivation / accountability / making sure the cohort is a success. So you might not get the same experience as you might get by buying Harnoor's course directly. No TA support for Android and ML course. We have TA support for the full stack course. Full stack course is the main offering. Uske liye, you have TA support, you have Discord, you have everything. But for these courses, just recordings, slides, and the assignments. Cool. And live videos. Sorry. Harnoor will come for 2 live classes. Ayush will come for 3 to 4 live classes. He'll high level tell you how to approach his cohort. These are things they've agreed to, and they've only agreed to people can join this until 7th of January. Uske baad, not everyone who's buying my course will get access. Anyone who's already bought it or is going to buy it until 7th of January will get access to both of them. Coupon code is 2024, valid till 7th of January. After that, you will have access to the full stack course, but not to the other cohorts that are part of this original offering. So full stack cohort will still be, you can still buy it after 7th of Jan. But if you want both of these, 7th of Jan is the cutoff. That's all I wanted to talk about in this video. Any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Any feedback, feel free to ask existing people. If you feel you're on the edge, feel free to buy. If you don't like it, ask for a refund. That's all for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.